easy makeup guide for teenage girls. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about makeup for beginners. If you are new to the world of makeup and want to learn some basics, then you have come to the right place. Today, I am going to share some tips with you that will help you create a flawless look in no time. Let's start. Cleanse and moisturize. One of the most important steps before applying makeup is to cleanse and moisturize your face. This helps to prep your skin and create a smooth surface for makeup application. Use a gentle cleanser to wash your face and then apply a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Trust me, this step can make a huge difference in how your makeup looks. Sunscreen. Applying sunscreen before makeup is an essential step in any skincare and makeup routine. When applied before makeup, sunscreen creates a protective barrier on the skin, shielding it from the sun's harmful effects throughout the day. Primer. After applying moisturizer, the next step is to use a primer. Primer helps makeup last longer and creates a smooth base for foundation application. Apply a small amount of primer to your face and blend it in with your fingers. You can also use a brush or sponge for a more even application. Foundation. Foundation is the base of any makeup look. Use a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it all over your face. Make sure to blend it in well, so it looks like your own skin. If you prefer lighter coverage, you can use a BB cream instead of foundation. Concealer. Concealer helps to cover up any imperfections on your face. Apply a small amount of concealer under your eyes to cover dark circles and on any blemishes or redness on your face. Blend it in well with a brush or sponge. Powder. Face powder is typically applied after foundation and concealer to lock the products in place, minimize shine, and create a more polished look. It comes in various formulations, including loose powder, pressed powder, and translucent powder. Eyebrows. Eyebrows frame your face and can make a huge difference in your overall look. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your hair color to fill in your brows. Start from the inner corners and work your way outwards, creating light, hair-like strokes. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow can instantly transform your makeup look. Start with a neutral base color and then apply a darker color on the crease of your eye. Blend it in well, so there are no harsh lines. You can also add a shimmery color on the lid for a pop of sparkle. Eyeliner. Eyeliner can create the illusion of bigger, brighter eyes. Use a pencil or liquid eyeliner to create a thin line on your upper lash line. If you prefer a more dramatic look, you can also do a winged liner. Mascara. Mascara is the cherry on top of any eye makeup look. Apply mascara on your upper and lower lashes for a dramatic effect. You can also curl your lashes before applying mascara for an extra lift. Blush. Blush can add a pop of color to your face and make you look more awake. Smile and apply blush on the apples of your cheeks. Blend it in well so that it looks natural. Lipstick. Lipstick can complete any makeup look. Use a color that complements your skin tone and apply it all over your lips. If you prefer a more natural look, you can also use a tinted lip balm or gloss. Setting spray. Setting spray is a makeup product designed to help lock in and prolong the wear of your makeup. Setting sprays are used as the final step in a makeup routine to set the products in place and provide a long-lasting and smudge-proof finish. That's it! You can also add more steps such as bronzer, contour, highlighter, lip liner, and lip gloss. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and styles.